Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting essentials in place. Install the Flutter SDK and add it to your path so Flutter Doctor works. Once done, install Visual Studio Code and add the Flutter and Dart extensions. These provide code completion and run tools. Make sure you have a device ready, start an Android AVD, or launch the iOS simulator, or connect a physical device. Run Flutter Doctor and address any missing pieces now so you can move into creating a project without interruptions. You create the project from the VSCode command palette with Flutter, New Project, and choose an app template. This scaffolds main, Dart, and PubSpec. Next, configure your workspace, edit launch, JSON for debug targets and settings, JSON for format on save and Dart line length. Add packages to PubSpec. YAML, then run Flutter pub get to install them. Once dependencies are in, analyze the project, fix analyzer warnings, and run the app once to verify build configuration and device connectivity before iterating on features. You run and debug directly from VS Code. Select the device, press Run and Debug, and set breakpoints to inspect variables in the debug pane. Use hot reload frequently to see UI changes instantly, and use hot restart when state requires resetting. If builds fail, try Flutter clean then Flutter pub get. Confirm your path points to the correct SDK and that Flutter Doctor reports no errors. If the emulator won't start, restart VS Code and the emulator, and check for conflicting Android.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.